What's up, guys? Garrett with PartsVu here. Exciting day for me. Just got down to Florida, got my new boat on the water, and the first thing I'm gonna do is break in my Mercury 250 Pro XS Optimax. So it's a it's a relatively simple process nowadays. It just takes time. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this thing on, and for the first hour, I'm gonna vary my RPMs every couple of minutes between 2,500 and like 4,500 RPMs. And then the next hour after that, hour 1 through 2 on the engine, I'm gonna do the same thing. And then every 10 minutes or so, I'm going to have a less than 1 minute burst at a high RPM. So like 5,000, 5,500 RPMs, whatever I can get it at, whatever I can get it to. The one thing is I'm not gonna trim up while doing that. So that's the plan for today, breaking in the engine. And then after 2 hours, it'll be good to go. It still probably won't be fully broken in until like 10 to 20 hours, but you'll be able to resume normal operation after those first 2. So if you guys are breaking your engine, that's a tip. Go out there, get it done, do it right, and protect your equipment. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching this video. Here at PartsVu, we are very passionate about the boating lifestyle. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out PartsVu.com for all your boating needs. We'll catch you next time.